Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a really useful tool in the world of email marketing. This tool, simply put, and without taking too much of your time, is a tool that helps you extract targeted emails. What do I mean by targeted? I mean based on a specific keyword you come up with. For example, if you want emails of programming companies, you go to Google and search something like website developers experts companies, meaning companies with experienced website developers. Why? Because if you have a business and you want to promote it, you can collect emails that match your audience and use them to promote your business in a smarter way. So, what this tool does is make it way easier for you to extract these targeted emails depending on the kind of business you're running. Once you have these emails, you can save them in an email marketing platform like GetResponse. From there, you can create your newsletters and send your email campaigns directly to the emails you gathered with this tool. That way, you're actually promoting your business, and growing it step by step. Now, let's quickly explain how the tool works. It has two methods to collect emails. The first method is by using a direct website link. For example, you enter the link of my blog, and the tool will try to return an email address from that page. Even if the email turns out to be fake, this is just for the sake of explaining the idea that you can grab emails directly from websites. Let's move to the second method, Google search. You enter your search keyword in the given field, and the tool will scan Google search results for emails, whether they appear in Contact Us pages, in the page content, or in the meta description. You can also use search operators like Site, GitHub, Site, Twitter, and so on. Then, you choose the location, and you can specify the type of email, like Gmail, which is the most common. You also choose how many results you want to scrape, 100, 250, or more. What's the difference? If you decide to buy the tool, more results will get you more data. But for testing, 250 results is perfect and affordable. Now, if you're interested in buying the tool, feel free to contact me and we'll discuss how to deliver it to you. Sometimes you might see errors like, no emails found. That could be because the tool is running on a GCP server and the quota is finished, or something similar. So if you want, I can help you set it up on your own device, just message me. So for this demo, I used the keyword website development experts and set it to search 250 results. After a few seconds, as you can see, it returned 5 emails. The more results you allow, the more emails you'll likely get. That's normal. Most of these are business emails, and some might be personal, like this one, which could belong to someone working at a company. Now you might ask, what's the point if some of these emails are fake? Good question. Most of the time, they're not fake. It really depends on the keyword you use. Let's say in the future you purchase the tool and scrape 1,000 results. You get 500 emails, and maybe 200 of them are fake. How do you clean that? That's where a strong email marketing platform like GetResponse comes in. You can upload all the emails there, and with a single click, add them to your list and send out your campaigns, just like I'm showing you now. This is the tool that I found out is the GetResponse platform. Here, if you don't have an account, you can register from the link directly available on the tool. Of course, I naturally figured out how to create a mailing list on it. The purpose of this list is to send all the emails you extract from this tool to that mailing list. So I go to Contacts, and this page appears. I create a list, type, for example, Marketing General, and click Create. Now we've created the list called General Marketing. As you can see, the number of contacts is 0. Let's go back to the mailing list. How do we connect it now? We connect it directly through the API key. Where do we get this API key? Well, all of this you can't control unless you first create an account, okay? In GetResponse, and activate your account through the email you registered with. I'm not going to explain how to register in GetResponse because it's assumed you already know. So just open this tool. I'll leave its link in the video description below. You can click it and come here and register on the email marketing platform. To get the API key, by the way, the one saved here is the API key, because I already have an account. So what do I say? I say, enter your GetResponse API key, and you'll get it after registering. Now we go back, we created a mailing list, so how do we bring the API key? You get it from Settings, then API. I already had one, so I'll regenerate a new one from the 3 dots above, then click Regenerate. Regenerate made a new one for me. I copy it and go back to the Contacts page in the same tool, paste the API key here, and click Connect. It says, successfully connected to GetResponse, found 6 lists. So I already have 6 mailing lists. I previously created them, but we made this one for the explanation. Now I have 6 extracted emails. Where are the emails from? The one we extracted, it's a fake email. We don't want it because, naturally, GetResponse won't add it. And here's the secret I want to tell you. Why won't it add it? Because it's a fake email. GetResponse's great and powerful feature is that it filters emails. If the email is valid, it adds it. If it's invalid or fake, it doesn't add it at all. It can detect whether the email works or not. That's the bottom line. So I'll skip this email to save myself the hassle, okay? What do I do? Once the emails appear in the list, I choose the list I defined and click Send to List. It says, successfully added 5 of 5 to your GetResponse. That's proof that all the emails are valid. If one of them was invalid, it wouldn't be added. We'll do a test now, it won't be added. Okay, that's it. Now I go to the mailing list, refresh here, and wait a bit. As you can see, it says 5 were added, but the number is 4. So why? Why is the number 4? Why wasn't the 5th added? Simply, either the email already existed. Because I've done lots of testing before this video, or the email is fake. So in both cases, you benefit. You don't want duplicate emails, and you don't want fake emails. This tool only adds emails not found in existing lists. Even if they exist in other lists, they won't be added. You understand? So this gives you assurance that no duplicate emails exist. This is the biggest advantage. Then, through this same tool, you go to Tools, okay? Email Marketing, and we wait a bit. I'm not going into explaining how to create a newsletter. If you want that, I can explain. But I'll just go over it quickly to give you a full picture. Click Create, for example, a newsletter. My account or plan is free and already used up. When you make an account for the first time, GetResponse gives you a 30-day trial to test the tool. During those 30 days, you can collect 500 emails. That's number 1. Number 2, you can send about 2,000 to 2,400 emails per month. Okay? That's a big feature. It shows you the email generator here. You get 3 times to try it. This one is currently locked, honestly, but when you click it, it shows a box with GetResponse's AI tool. It prepares a very professional landing page, which you can edit, add logos, links, texts, you can do everything. But the general style is very professional. You only need to make simple edits, and the newsletter will be complete. Then you create it and know how to send it to all the emails. If I were to do it myself, it's the same as the AI one, but the difference is I won't write a prompt. So I go and write the subject here, test, for example. Test, anything. Then I choose recipients. It will show the same layout. In my case, only a few, but in your case, you may have more. You can write a prompt to generate the newsletter. But here, no. Here, you have to design it yourself. Click Design Message. Then choose the recipients, those who will receive it. I'll choose the list I just sent the emails to, General Marketing. I selected it, then clicked Add. Here they came. 4 emails. These will be sent to. Of course, you won't test this with 4 or 5 or 10 emails. When you gather and try this tool or this platform, you can enter here more than 10,000 or 20,000 emails. That's when the benefit of the email extractor tool shows, and the benefit of the platform shows. Then you go and design your message. After you design it, choose a template, any random template. Let's say we pick this one, use template. Okay. We wait a bit. As you can see, here's the tool. You can edit the texts here. Same goes if you use the AI and write a prompt, it will give you a similar design, professional and nice. You go click Next, and you're done with the design. After that, the design shows up here. Then you go and click Send, and it'll reach all the recipients listed here. So imagine if there were 10,000 or 20,000 emails, and you had a certain product you brought from Amazon and want to market to earn a certain commission, for example. So imagine how great the benefit would be. You must make use of it definitely. Before everything else, did you like this tool? I hope you support us so we can improve more, and this gives me greater motivation to develop this tool better and bigger, God willing. Through this QR code here, which is on my blog on BuyMeACoffee. Of course, there are some links like how it works that explain the tool more clearly. First, you do a search, then you do extraction, then activation and export. And there also, extraction means exporting the emails to GetResponse, right? That you extract or export these emails to GetResponse. And of course, I will edit this booklet here, the instructions written here, I will edit them, God willing. And here is the next page, which is, Contact Us, in case you'd like to ask about anything. Here is my email, my WhatsApp number, and you can copy the email and send anything or any inquiry you want. And here is for those who want to support us on BuyMeACoffee through these links, and this is my CamSat account. And anything else you'd like to add or want to send me on WhatsApp directly, you're welcome. This account here, and first, your name, your email, and the question or issue or request you want. And immediately you'll be taken to WhatsApp directly to send me as if you're sending a message instantly. And God willing, 1,000 thanks to you. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and God willing, I will soon leave you the links related to this tool and to download the tool,